Well, there's a lot of junk up there, and it's way out of reach. But I have this. And I can knock everything down, including my little spider webs and everything else. But I do need two hands. Guess who's looking for spiders? See, I not only have a natural pest control with the spiders, I got a natural pest control with the birdies looking for the spiders. And probably a drink. Anything interesting, huh? Oh yeah, you're looking for a drink. It would help if I would look in the camera and not look at the bird. Yeah, we're taking care of my spider population. Typical zucchini. Turn your back and look what you get. I got a zucchini. That wasn't, oh, look at that. That needs to go. Tim over at Troll Forge suggested I use a scarecrow to keep the birdies from eating my blueberries. Do you think that scarecrow would work? Should we give it a try? Or do you think I need to go for, or do you think I need to go for Big Brother? That'll scare off anything for sure. Yeah, just use both. Well, thanks, Tim, for the suggestion. We'll see if my blueberries last any longer. I'd like to be able to at least make, there's not going to be enough ripe at one time to make anything. But I can enjoy them one at a time. Oh, I know you went in there. Oh, I know you went in there. Because there's all kinds of goodies that you can get into. Little nibble here and a little nibble there. Mom would never notice. Oh, I got an itty bitty dragonfly. Most of mine are blue. Nope, sorry, that's a damselfly. You know the difference between dragonflies and damselflies? Dragonflies can't fold their wings. But damselflies can. Looking to the east, we have thunder clouds coming up. Gonna have thunderstorms, they say. Boy, that air is hot though, because the air is coming from the west. Boy, nice if we did get some thunderstorms, even though it'll make it more humid than what it is. But that's okay. I like rain. Well, I'm going to get my pimentos in the ground finally. That other one's buried by the zucchini plant. And I'm going to use the hori hori that Zuli gave me. I don't know where the dibble is that I made to match that size pot. I may not have made one that size, which I should have. Well, they're in, and each one of them has a flower. So if that's the case, I'm going to get 4 pimentos. At least 4. Nah, maybe, hopefully 4. Hopefully 1. Oh, look what I see. Look at that. I got a mouse melon. Are there any more? I see at least 1. I think that's all I got is 1 mouse melon. Oh, 1's better than none. I'll let you get a little bigger and see if you are a sour gherkin. You know, I think we've been down this road before.
Why do you say that?
'Cause I remember seeing the same trash cans.
Well, they're all the same.